Blizzard 30-inch Auto Golf Umbrella. If you're looking for a quality, top-of-the-range umbrella, an umbrella that will stand up to the elements, then take a look at Blizzard. Blizzard is an A-grade, full-size 30-inch super tough golf umbrella, featuring 2 extra-wide Velcro ties, keeping the canopy in place when closed. It has an automatic open function. It's made of extra thick fiberglass ribs and shaft for added strength while still being lightweight. As these umbrellas use full fiberglass frames, you won't be acting as a lightning conductor if you're caught out during a storm. Blizzard features a vented canopy, allowing the wind to pass straight through the umbrella, ensuring the frame doesn't get damaged during storms. It also features our unique netted interior, designed to keep the canopy vents open during the heaviest of winds. The canopy is made from premium 190T nylon. This umbrella also features a rubber tip. So when you're walking, it won't make a knocking sound, won't chip or crack the end section of the shaft. The non-slip gripper handle is designed to fit perfectly in your hand and includes a unique logo area on the top of the handle. This umbrella is supplied with a color-coordinated pouch and is available in black or navy. Blizzard umbrella looks great with a screen print, or even better when decorated with a vibrant super color transfer.